Big John, Big John.
All right, well, we're back over to Woodville. We ripped off that 3 acres that was left over in the pasture field, and we're getting this the notch field here opened up. And I got to go get a couple trucks. I got my truck sitting home idling, warming up, and I called a buddy, Bob, and he's letting me use his trucks. I hope it doesn't fit, but if I figure it right, 2 trucks and the grain cart, and we can get it all on wheels today. So we'll see. All right, over here getting Bob's truck. So this might be a pretty good cold start. So we'll put you right there. Okay, well, that was a strange turn of events. Yeah, I'm in Bob's truck. I went to get mine, and went to back up. Didn't quite have all the air pressure built up, which is a good thing. But when I started backing up, I looked in the passenger side wind mirror, and the back axle on the trailer was going cockeyed. Whoa, what is going on? And we had trouble with this trailer years ago. About 10 years ago we had it fixed. But the U-bolts were broke. They're gone. So luckily I seen it. And so I already had Bob's trailer lined up, truck and trailer lined up. So I called Kirk and he's bringing his over. So hopefully we can get it all on wheels tonight. Anderson's is open from 7 to 3 tomorrow. Get everything emptied out and be done with harvest. And just like that, that field is gone. Dad's heading back up here to dump. And harvest 22, done. Thank God. All right, well, Kirk pulled out, he left. He's probably got 1,050. His truck's not full. Bob's truck back here is pretty full once Dad dumped into it. I wish we put some of that on Kirk, but neither here nor there. So he's in the combine, got a head cleaned off, and we're heading for home. Or at least to my house. I don't know if he's going to want to take the combine clear to his house, put it in the shed, or whether he's just going to put it in the barn at my house for now. So either way, harvest is done. I'll have him bring me back and get Bob's truck and run that home. And guess I'll make a couple phone calls in Toledo Spring and see about getting an appointment to get that dump trailer up there and straightened out. So figure out some way to secure that axle to get it up there. Maybe I'll just weld it solid. I don't know, I can probably wrap a chain around it or something. We'll figure something out. Oh, one last thing. Most people are pretty good about it, but like, you see my view behind me. I can't see the road. And the mirrors, I don't know if you can see out that mirror, but I can't see. I can see way behind me. So when you're coming up on a piece of farm equipment, folks, get out in the other lane, way back there. If you get right behind me when I'm pulling this thing, I don't know you're there. I don't have any cameras or nothing, so I don't know you're there. So as you're coming up on a piece of farm machinery, Get out in the other lane if there's nobody coming the other way. And maybe if it's daylight, turn your headlights on so the farmer will see you. If he sees you, chances are he's going to pull over for you. Now, we're coming up to a spot here where there's a guardrail on both sides of the road. You always got to watch it because the one side's really long. If somebody's coming the other way, we got to stop and wait for them to clear it before we go through it. But yeah, if you're coming up on farm machinery, get in the other lane, turn your headlights on. Don't flash your lights. That'll make them mad. Then they think you're being impatient in a hurry. But just turn your lights on. And we'll get out of the way. As soon as we can, we'll get out of the way. We don't want to hold anybody up. See, now there's a car right behind me. He's right up on my tail. I just happened to catch a glimpse out of the passenger side mirror. Anyway, gotta go. Thank you. All right, well, I got Bob's truck back to my house, parked it right next to RF11 over there. Boy, this is old school compared to that one. But this is an upgrade.